Once upon a time, in a tranquil pond, lived a small frog named Freddie. He was known for his boundless energy and his constant leaping. One day, as he hopped with reckless abandon, he leaped too far and landed in a deep pit. Freddie panicked. He tried to jump out, but the pit was too deep. He called out for help, but no one heard him. He realized that his leaping had led him to this predicament. As he sat there, feeling defeated, a wise old tortoise named Tommy wandered by. Seeing Freddie, he asked, "What's wrong, my friend?" Freddie explained his predicament. Tommy thought for a moment and then suggested, "Why don't you take a deep breath and take it slow, Freddie? Leaping is not always the solution to every problem." Freddie listened to Tommy's words and took a deep breath. He calmed down and assessed his situation. He noticed a slimy vine hanging over the edge of the pit. He slowly climbed up, taking each step carefully. When he reached the top, Freddie thanked Tommy for his wisdom. Tommy smiled and said, "Remember, Freddie, sometimes a leap of faith is necessary, but wisdom tells us when and where to take that leap." From that day forward, Freddie learned to balance his energy with wisdom. He realized that while leaping is fun, taking things slow and thinking things through can lead to even greater rewards. And so, he lived out the rest of his days, leaping when necessary, but always with a thoughtful approach. And the moral of this story is, leap when necessary, but always think before you act. Wisdom guides us to the right path,